Hi guys, it's Avas and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's our topic is how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. So guys, it's very easy process. So let's get started. So guys, for that simply open Google Chrome. Now open some tabs. Like I have opened this Chrome Web Store. So after that simply close this. Now again open Google Chrome. So you can see the option of reopen closed tab. So simply click on it. So guys, here you can see our tab has been restored. So guys, you can also restore tab with shortcut key. So the shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus T. So let's try with shortcut key. Simply press Control plus Shift plus T. So guys, here you can see our tab has been restored. So guys, this is for single tab. So if you want to restore multiple tabs, so what you have to do, simply open some tabs. Now close this. Now again open Google Chrome. Simply right click on plus button and here you can see written reopen closed tab. So you can also restore tabs by clicking on it or also with shortcut key. So simply press Control plus Shift plus T. So guys, here you can see we have restored multiple tabs. So guys, you can see we have restored closed tab on Google Chrome. So guys, you can also restore closed tab on Google Chrome by following this process. I hope you will find this video informative. If you like it, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Bye, have a great day.